Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I would like to talk about my hobby. I like to travel. Actually, I'm quite keen on traveling. I try to visit different types of beautiful places such as Cox's Bazar, Sundarban, Kuakata, and so on. But especially, I'm a big fan of going to Cox's Bazar. This is because whenever I go to Cox's Bazar, I feel over the moon. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.